Hello everybody, I am Jajan Podol. Today we are making my favorite smoothie, dragon fruit smoothie. We have a half kilo of dragon fruit, some sugar, Alaska Evaporada, Nestle All-Purpose Cream, and 1 box of ice. When you don't have ice cubes, it is fine to use ice. Then, now we are gonna put the ingredient. First, the dragon fruit. Put the dragon fruit on this first. Saidin nyo yan para mas masarap. And now we are going to put 1 can of Alaska Evaporado. Tumulo pa sa mga todo. Make sure ubusin nyo. Kasi baka sayang. Tapos, and half a carton of Nestle All-Purpose Cream. Only half. Next, we are gonna add 3 scoops of sugar. And now we are gonna add the ice so that it's cold and refreshing. All of this. Then we're gonna add the coffee. And now start blending. Ipakount natin mainit. Now for the taste test. I am gonna get a baso. And now it is time. It's the best! Alaska, kaya naman. At saka Nestle All-Purpose Cream, baka naman rin. Salamat po sa pakikinood. Listen nyo po kami ng star.